Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert drop down list in Word 2016. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to insert drop down list in this document. Go to the File menu. Then click the option. Then go to the Customize ribbon and check mark on the Developer menu to insert the Developer menu. Then click OK. Then go the Developer menu and click the drop down list content control. Then go to the Properties and write your drop down menu title. Then select the show as drop down menu, then choose start or end tag. Then you can change the color. Click the color drop down menu and choose any color. Then click the display name, click add and you add your display name. Then click OK. Then again click the add option and added your display name. Then click OK and finally click OK. Then you can see we insert drop down list. Click the drop down menu and choose any color. And we can see we insert drop down list in this document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.